Hello friends, is your car running rough, losing power, or consuming more fuel than usual? If your scanner is showing P0408, this could mean a problem with the EGR position sensor circuit. Ignoring this issue can lead to engine inefficiency, increased emissions, and even potential engine damage. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll explain what P0408 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0408 error code stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation, EGR, Sensor B circuit high. The EGR system helps reduce harmful emissions by recirculating some exhaust gases back into the combustion chamber. The EGR position sensor monitors this process and reports data to the ECU. If the ECU detects a higher than expected voltage from sensor B, it triggers the P0408 code, indicating an issue with the sensor, wiring, or EGR valve. Common symptoms of P0408: check engine light, cell, on, rough idle or stalling, loss of acceleration and power, reduced fuel economy, increased emissions, and failed smog test. If your car is experiencing these issues, let's locate the EGR position sensor and EGR valve. The EGR position sensor and EGR valve are usually found in these locations. The EGR valve, a crucial component for your vehicle's emissions system. Now let's talk about where you might find it. Often it's mounted near the intake manifold, which makes it easy for exhaust gases to circulate. In some vehicles, you'll find it directly on the exhaust manifold. Certain models like to place it close to the throttle body, and sometimes it's mounted near the cylinder head for efficiency. Remember, the exact location depends on your car's make and model. Always check the vehicle service manual or an online parts diagram for precise details. Now let's move on to some common causes of the P0408 error code. So, what could be causing this pesky P0408 error code? First up, a faulty EGR position sensor. If this sensor sends incorrect signals, the ECU might just trigger that code. Then there's carbon buildup in the EGR valve. Those deposits can block the valve and disrupt sensor readings. Wiring or electrical issues are another culprit. Corroded or broken wires might lead to a high voltage signal. A defective EGR valve can also be a problem. If it's stuck open or closed, it can cause erratic sensor readings, and though it's rare, the ECU itself might misinterpret sensor signals. Alright, let's get to fixing that P0408 error code. First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the code and check for any related trouble codes. Next, locate the EGR position sensor and EGR valve. Give them a good inspection for any visible damage. Then remove and clean the EGR valve using an EGR system cleaner to clear any carbon buildup. Test the EGR position sensor with a multimeter. If it's faulty, you'll need to replace it. Don't forget to check the wiring and connectors for any signs of wear, corrosion, or disconnection. Finally, clear the error code with the OBD-II scanner and take a test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. So in conclusion, the P0408 code can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and higher emissions. If your car is showing this error, make sure to inspect the EGR position sensor, clean the EGR valve, and check the wiring. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0100, Mass Airflow Sensor Circuit Malfunction, and P0101, Mass Airflow Sensor Circuit Range Performance. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching.